So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't have to tell you that this is a true masterpiece. It's almost unbelievable that I got one. It's limited. It's the Tamiya Porsche Vaillant 45th anniversary model. So I'm pretty stoked. I had it in the box for a couple of days now. I'm still watching it like, wow, I got one. So yeah, yeah, we're going to do an unboxing. So I'm going to make this one and I'm going to put it on a shelf somewhere where no dust is going to get on there and everything. So I got my trusty knife here and I'm going to open it very, very carefully because I don't want to ruin the box. Because yeah, the box is pretty important too. So it's the first time in my whole life that I'm building a Tamiya model. Seems strange for you guys, but I never was in the kind of building models like Tamiya and stuff. But this one stole my heart a little bit when I saw it, so I'm pretty stoked. And like I said, I'm pretty stoked that I got one. So look at the box, man. The box art is awesome. It's really awesome. You can see it over here is a Porsche logo. I'm going to turn it a little bit so you can see it. 45th anniversary. The dates are in not so bright letters over here. You can see it over here. Nice. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's awesome. It's pretty awesome. You saw some other videos, unboxings on YouTube, but in real life it looks magnificent. So now let's open it. I'm not going to ruin the box, so I'm going to keep it.
Wow, it's very nice.
That's awesome. Real awesome. Here's the Tamiya letter that everyone is getting in the box, celebrating 54 years of Tamiya RC cars. And it's nice. It's real nice. Don't ruin this. If you got it, don't ruin it. And look at this thing, man. This is awesome. Look at how it's packaged. Look how nice and neat everything's in there. It's a pretty nice box. Get some foams here. I'm going to put them over here. Get the shell. Very nice. Here are the tires. I'm going to put it all out of the box. Some nicely, neatly packaged parts. So, it even smells good. The box smells good. I don't know how do you do that. Nice packaged. Nice one. All nice packaged. Here's the chassis. It's kind of carbon fiber, I think. I don't know. But looks like carbon fiber. So look at the Porsche stuff in there. It's nice detailed. The antenna, yeah, the aerial. Look how nice it is. Look how nice it is. The wheels, of course. And you can say what you want, but they make a great deal out of the packaging. I don't know, yeah. I don't know even how to open this without ruining it. I think I have to cut this one. So gently. Yeah, there they are. Oh, damn, look at those tires, man. Oh, those rims. Nice. Look at it. It's going to be a real queen shell, I'm not going to drive it, no. It would be a shame to drive it. I'll put everything nice in the box, back. Like it was. I had some comments that there were people that said, no, don't unbox it, don't unbox it, it's worth a lot of money. I know it's worth a lot of money, but I want to have it, I want to see it, you know what I mean? I want to have it in my hands, not in a box. Normally you have to drive it, but that's not what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on. What is this? Oh, the stickers. Ooh. Look at that, man. Looking cool. Looking real cool. I don't have enough room here. This is the instructions how to build, so we're going to need that. Oh man, I'm pretty stoked. Oh, I don't know what's in there, so oh, some more parts. Oh, look at this. Look. Oh. Real nice. Real nice. Oh, this has to open like this too. So let's see what's in here. Also carbon parts. Really nice machined, you know. Look at that. Real nice. And I think this is going to be the motor mount. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we're working on it. So pretty good, pretty cool. These are the drive shafts. I'm not going to open that, and the springs. I want to check this out. Some hubs, double-sided tape, and some screws. Grease. Parts bag A is this. Some screws and some diffs and bearings. Cool. Oh, those are the shocks to bleed them. Bladders, you know what I mean. More bearings, screws, O-rings. Here's the motor. That's what it's a Mabushi motor. It's a RS4550SH made in China. I saw it on other unboxings, and I was thinking, like, why didn't they put a sticker on there? You know what I mean? A nice sticker with Porsche on or something like that. I don't know, but it's a silver can, yeah. Some zip ties, the center drive shaft, I think, and some screws. So we're gonna take it out when we need it, because otherwise it's going to be all over the place, you know what I mean?